Cold Open Excel Shortcuts Part 2, here we come. Dive in with me as we master 5 more essential shortcuts that'll make your Excel experience a breeze. First up, ever found yourself in need of a quick table? Hit Ctrl+T and watch as your data elegantly transforms into a well-organized table. Number 2, Ctrl+1 is your ticket to the Format Cells dialog box. Here, you can play around with your font, alignment, borders, and more. Third, for those dealing with currencies, Ctrl, Shift, and Dollar is a lifesaver. It effortlessly turns your numbers into currency format. Fourth, Control and open bracket helps navigate complex formulas, acting as a roadmap for your calculations. Lastly, our fifth tip, Alt-E, S and V, opens up the Paste Special dialog, offering you a range of paste options. And voila! 5 more Excel shortcuts to speed up your work and enhance your productivity. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and valuable Excel insights. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting!